this game, we will just move our mouse cursor to paint our entire screen with Smiley. Let's see how to make this. I'm going to upload a Smiley that I have downloaded from Google. Once it is added, reduce the size of your Smiley and we'll start the coding part. Click on this extension box, choose the pen extension. Now, when green flag is clicked, go to pen extension and use this erase all to erase all the drawings that were made before. Now, forever, go to mouse pointer and go to pen blocks again, use this stamp. So now wherever you move your mouse pointer, a stamp will be made. When I click this sprite, I will stop this. So when this sprite is clicked, go to control, use this stop all block to stop all the codings. Now, wherever you move your mouse cursor, the Smileys would be stamping himself on the screen. You can replace this Smiley with any characters that you like. Hope you like this video. Follow our page for more such updates. Bye bye.